Pleasingly today, our state hits the milestone of 80% first dose vaccination. Regrettably, community transmission had 1,259 cases yesterday and 12 people lost their lives, and we extend our deepest condolences to the families of those loved ones. Pleasingly, after receiving advice from both police and health, given we've hit that 80% milestone across the state, we're able to lift the curfew in those areas of concern from tonight. As the roadmap that we released indicated, at 70% double dose, you will be required under the health orders to only be able to frequent venues if you're vaccinated. And I just want to make that very clear. It's black and white. If you're not vaccinated, you can't go to a restaurant, you can't go to a cafe. At 70% double dose, everybody, every business leader, every community member should be very clear that the health orders will be saying that you cannot go and do anything on the roadmap which will be specified unless you are completely vaccinated.
Last week you said that order would be sometimes up to the business themselves rather than the state, but now you're very clear. There will be a health order to clarify that. Can you give us more information on that? What will happen to restaurants and pubs? And we're seeing more of them who say they don't care, they will accept anybody unvaccinated as well as vaccinated.
Firstly, I didn't actually say that. What I said was at 80%, we're still looking at what is going to happen at 80%. But at 70%, we've been extremely clear and extremely black and white. There is no doubt as to what we said when we announced the roadmap. At 70%, if you're not vaccinated, there will be a health order. It will be the law that if you're not vaccinated, you can't attend those venues that are on our roadmap. You can't go into a hospitality venue. You can't go to ticketed events unless you are vaccinated. We made that very clear for 70% double dose. What I also said that day is that we're considering what 80% double dose looks like. Because again, what we need to consider is not only what the unvaccinated population could do to our hospital system, but the rate at which disease can still spread if too many people are unvaccinated. So let me again be very clear, at 70% double dose, it is a requirement that you are only allowed to enter any hospitality venue or any of those or receive services like hairdressers, etc., if you are double dosed. And that will be in law, it'll be in a health order, and there'll be no grey. It's very black and white.